Today we're sharing one of our landscaping projects that has a really different type of before and after. When we got to this property, it was one big long hedge across the whole front, just one type of plant. It's kind of dated, the shrubs were past their prime. And so why don't you tell us a little bit about what the customer was looking for in their new landscape?
Yeah, obviously an updated look, and the yews, the evergreens that were there before were really, they were hurting.
Right.
They really needed to come out. So it just made this big long palette. But, you know, because the plants were so packed in before, they wanted a more spacious, open look.
Right.
You know, so that was really key, you know, which is evident in the spacing we did on a lot of these shrubs are, you know, really far apart. But also in the open concept, they're looking for low maintenance. And in the idea of the low maintenance is we use the stone mulch with a fabric underneath it to really help control the weeds coming up, along with the paver edging.
Right.
The paver edging really helps to kind of keep that lawn from invading in. So,
And I love these boulders out here. They're pretty big and just different shapes. And
yeah, they were nice boulders. Those ones had been around for a while, so they were salvaged from a spot, so they had a little more age and angular to them instead of the real common everyday ones. So
and I
it
love
worked
this
out well.
Dwarf blue spruce that's around this boulder. As that ages, it's going to kind of creep and crawl over the rocks.
Yeah, so they look a little sparse, looks a little lost right now, but again, like you said, those things will spread right out, fill that whole area in, and at some point here in a few years down the road, it's going to be a really striking scene right here.
Sure.
But it's also raised up. This particular spot's raised up and mounded to give it a little relief compared to some of the other areas.
And it is important when you're planting a new landscape to leave a lot of space in between the plants like that so they have room to fill out and grow.
Yeah, an artist calls it negative space, which is always good.
So I love the variety here and the unique stone elements, and it just is a whole new landscape.
Yes, it worked out very well. Thank you for joining us.
I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the Home Gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.